On TBC, we love to get you inspiring stories, those that will hopefully give you a exciting start, a start that's very, very positive for the rest of your day. The story we're going to get you next is of a young boy. His name is Samborlang Rincha. He's from Meghalaya, and his story is very special because he gained widespread recognition for his exceptional goalkeeping skills. He's very, very good at staving off a ball, keeping the goalpost safe. And the hope is that he'll very soon have the opportunity to further showcase all of his talents because Minerva, which is a football academy in Punjab, has offered him a scholarship. Now, that's not all. It's not just the scholarship that we're focusing on. His fame has skyrocketed after a video of his goalkeeping abilities caught the attention of an incredible player. And what's even more special is this is actually Samborlang's hero. We're talking about Emiliano Martinez. He's the World Cup winning goalkeeper for Argentina. He even reshared this video that went viral of young Samborlang. Samborlang has come to be known now as Martinez Jr. Anywhere you go in Meghalaya and ask, that's what he's called now, Martinez Jr. He responds to it. This video that we're showing you on your screens, on the right side of your screens, was posted by his brother. He has a family of 5 brothers. Some are his real brothers, some are his cousins. He's played with all of them. And he has dreams of playing in the national team and even further. We thought it would be really, really great to get Samborlang on with us on the show. Keep in mind, he's very, very young. So we asked him and his uncle both to sit with us so that Samborlang wasn't feeling shy at all. All right, let's just go over to both of them. Hello, good morning. Thank you so much for joining us on TBC. How are you feeling?
Very happy.
Very happy.
Okay, we'll ask you a slightly tricky question. You play goalkeeper, not a forward, not defense. Why goalkeeper?
Martinez.
Yeah, that is what. He is inspired by one of the greatest goalkeeper, as we all know, Emi Martinez. So that is the reason why he's behind the goalkeeping.
We just told our audiences about Samborlang's love for him. Can you tell us a little more, Samborlang? Why do you love him so much, Emilio Martinez?
The Korean.
Martinez.
He's saying that I like more about his bravery and his talent of goalkeeping.
Do you practice every day, Samborlang? Every single day?
Qua cái xuân mà không hẹ.
And the Thai World Cup.
Và cái World Cup.
Actually, he's saying that he want to be part of to show his goalkeeping skills in a very big stage, very big competition, and also to the World Cup.
So he needs to practice for that, right? Other international players that you love, Samborlang? You want to name any other names apart from Emilio Martinez?
Yeah.
Messi.
That's a good choice.
Messi.
That's a very good choice. And can we ask you, when did you discover Samborlang's talent? When did the family discover that, okay, he's young and he's very talented?
Actually, we discovered his skills like I think it's within 1 year now. So because before that he was still very young and we cannot we cannot make him practice so hard also. And this is the year that we actually 3 months before that we actually when his elder brother he shoot a video of him during their practice session, and then he uploaded into his Instagram profile. And then
Okay, and that's how it went viral. Okay, we know that you've taken out time in the morning to speak to us. Thank you. I know that you have other things to do, so we don't want to keep you too busy. Samborlang, we were told you have practice to go to. Please go. Thank you for taking out a few minutes for us here on TBC.